Hi, today I'm going to show you an easy way to test the motorcycle speedometer. Make sure it's working. Okay. Today we're going to work on a 1994 Kawasaki Vulcan 1500. Easiest way to do this, you're going to detach the cable. As you can see, I already did here. Attach that cable from the wheel. Then you're going to insert it into a drill. And you're going to set the drill counterclockwise. So you want it to go to the left as you're loosening it. Okay? And as you pull the trigger on the drill, as it moves, it's going to rotate this wire or this cable right in there, and you'll see the speedometer move. Okay? So we're just going to get set up real quick. Okay. Now you can see how the cable's inserted here. Now we're going to look at the odometer there. As I get ready to move it, you're going to see the odometer start to move. Get a close up here. A little bit hard getting the right angle. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, there you go. You can see it move now. So we know this speedometer is good. It's working. It moves when the wheel moves, and that's what we want. Okay, thanks for watching. Make sure you like the video and make sure you subscribe.